Hi guys, welcome back to another unboxing video. Today I'm going to unbox two new gadgets that I recently got. So let's get started. First up, this dongle. My iPhone storage gets full all the time and it's honestly so frustrating because I can't film more videos, and that's why I bought this. With this dongle I can easily connect my phone directly to my PC and transfer all my files. It's small, super lightweight and easy to carry around. I just have to plug it in my phone and transfer my videos and free up space instantly. This is going to help me keep filming without worrying about storage anymore. Now the thing I'm most excited about, the Boya mic. I actually got this mainly for ASMRs because I have always wanted to try making those kind of videos, and now I finally can. Let's quickly unbox it. So we have this mic box, a user guide and a warranty card. Also we have 2 plus 1 year warranty for this mic as it's mentioned on the box. And this is the warranty card. Next we have this user guide too, and I recommend you guys to check this out before you start using the mic. I feel like the manual guide is a great resource. Then we have this USB-C to USB-A cable. This is used to charge the mic. Okay guys, now let's quickly open the mic box. And I feel like the box is so adorable. It's so cute. Also guys, I am currently using this Boya mic for voiceover and I am impressed. Even with the fan on, there is zero background noise pickup. Guys, I'm totally obsessed with the mic's performance. And the best part is I'll also start doing voiceovers on my videos, something that I have never done before. Now that I have this, there will be no excuses. I would definitely recommend it to you guys. It's super affordable and user friendly too. Also, it's portable and easy to carry around, so you can take it with you wherever you go. If you want me to do a mic test in my next video, let me know in the comments. Guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you soon with some new content. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.